So welcome to UK News Today. Today we have news that Winston Churchill funeral procession boat blows up in Bristol Harbour after suspected gas canister explosions. Two people have been taken to hospital after boat exploded in harbour, but injuries are not life-threatening. The same boat exploded here. Boat that feature in Winston Churchill's funeral process don't view up in Bristol Harbour after suspected gas canister explosion. Two people have been taken to hospital after the boat degastated. It flashed all of the scene without warning at around 2 p.m. this afternoon. The boat named Rahampton was docked in Moat Dock at the harbour site in Bristol when the explosion happened in the Bristol Post Airport. Paramedics treated two people for injuries at the site before they were taken to hospital. A spokeswoman for Avon and Somerset Police said the injuries were not life-threatening or life-changing. The former owner of the boat said he was devastated at seeing it sink. At first, he thought the sound had come from the famous sailing ship Matthew, which is docked in the harbour, had sold it to its current owners about 10 years ago, and he was very sad to see it go up in smoke. He added, I had a call saying your ex-boat had been blown up. You could hear the boom, and we thought it was the Matthew that had done it. I used to own it for 20 years. The boat used in Winston Churchill funeral procession according to the former owner. The unnamed former owner said he could hear the boom when the boat exploded. He said, we were just across the side of the dock. We saw the guns, but he felt a sure boom. It was a bit too deep for one of the guns and on Matthew. It was very sad to see that happen. My wife is very upset about it. It was really both. It was on the boat in Churchill's funeral procession. Himself as well. I don't know what happened. It looks like it is gas, but I really don't know. Another witness, Andy Henley, was with his family when the boat exploded. 65-year-old said, we were just sitting with family in the restaurant by the water when we heard a thump. It would not really call it explosion because I don't know. I do know what a boom explosion sounds like, but it was like a clap of thunder or something like that. Then I saw the birds flying to the sky and we wondered what it was. A spokesman of Avon and Spooker Police said that here we are Moat Dock in Bristol supporting the fire and ambulance and harbour's master after explosion on boat. Two people have been taken to hospital with injuries which are not believed to be life-changing or life-threatening. Fire crews and harbour master are making the boat safe. Initial injuries suggesting the cause was gas canisters being changed. Thank you very much for listening to the UK News Today. I hope you enjoyed this news. Please subscribe to UK channel to get more news. Thank you.